I've been testing out the Sony WF-1000Xm3s for a little while now. I've had them for a while, but I didn't want to give you guys a review, give you something that's false, a narrative that get you all confused. I want to try these headphones out and give you an honest, foolproof review of these headphones. And if I will recommend these headphones to you. So if you're interested in what I gotta say, stay tuned to watch the video. So let's get started. I've been using the WF-1000Xs, I'm tired of saying the long names, for about 3 or 4 weeks now. I can say these headphones are amazing, but with all that being said, they do have some flaws. First thing that really matters the most, the sound. Sound of these headphones are right off the bat is amazing. They are night and day. I'm used to hearing good audio 24/7. I've been using the AirPods for maybe a little over 2 years now. That's because they're so convenient. But I can say these kick the AirPods butt when it comes to it. The sound is it's not even comparable to the AirPods. And the good thing about it is that Sony implemented their music control app just like the WH-1000F, so you can totally customize the sound, which I think is a very good selling point when it comes to a pair of headphones. How I can describe the sound of these headphones, they are very, very balanced. But like I said before, you can adjust the sound signature wherever you like. So if I'm listening to classical music, I want the vocals to be a little more punchy, I'll boost the highs and cut the lows and boost the mids and get a good sound signature. Very, very good. If you don't have the money to get a whole bunch of different earphones or headphones to accompany the type of music you like, if you invest in the Sony WF-1000Xs, you will not go wrong. You can adjust your sound signature or sound profile to anywhere you would like. However, with that being said, convenience. That's the second thing I want to go with. Because I'm in the Apple ecosystem, I know you Android fanboys will say whatever. But because I'm in the Apple ecosystem, having these right now are a little inconvenient for me. I can say with my AirPods, all I gotta do is throw them in my ear and they automatically connect. I don't have to go to the Bluetooth menu when I want to switch them around. They automatically connect, and I've been spoiled with that. However, with that being said, I think the pros of these headphones outweigh the cons of these headphones. The convenience is really hard for me to stay with these all the time because I hate having to go through the Bluetooth settings, go into Bluetooth, put them in pairing mode, and getting started. But I still love these headphones nonetheless. Pricing. So the next aspect of these headphones, what might help you make a decision, is pricing. I think I paid a little over $200 for that. I'll put the price of it right here to let you know how much I paid for those. You guys already know the price of the AirPods right now. They're expensive, but these are expensive. But I think for the money, you can't go wrong. If you want one good solid pair of headphones, you can elect to go with these headphones. Let's get to the cons. Like I said, I've been using these for about, I want to say 3 to 4 weeks. I don't know if it's just the pair I have or it's the Sony, a fault in Sony, but these have been unpairing, unsyncing, and the app, you can see right here, has been not responding sometimes. And this is very inconvenient because I use these a lot when I'm studying in the library because they are noise canceling, by the way. So if you want noise canceling earbuds, these are the way to go. But for some reason, they disconnect randomly. I'm not sure why. I tried to do a full reset. It was fine for maybe about a week, but then I started experiencing the same technical malfunctions. But if anyone else experienced this problem, just leave it in the comment section. Let me know what you guys did to fix this problem. But like I said, these headphones overall, I would recommend them to anyone who's trying to get into the market of a good pair of noise canceling earbuds. There's nothing really competing with it right now because the AirPods themselves are not noise canceling. So when you get into crowded environments, the AirPods tend to fall, the Sonys tend to rise up because it does have that noise canceling. Doesn't have the best noise canceling that I've ever heard in my life. I give it to my WH-1000Xm3s. If you haven't seen that video, it's right there. Click on it, like it, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. Whatever you want to do. So those are my favorite noise canceling headphones right now, but these are my favorite earbuds right now. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed what I said so far, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, like and comment. I'll be back with another video.